Hi everyone! In this short video, one of our affiliated locksmiths is going to show you how he's coding a new Chevy transponder key. This is how it's actually done on site in case you lost all your keys or just want to have a spare set. This coding procedure requires either a spatial machine, like the one in this video, or onboard programming for all Chevy key fobs and transponder keys. Before we start, we would really appreciate if you can like this video, and of course if you need any help you can contact us 24/7 and we will connect you with a locksmith near you.
Hello everybody, we're working on a 2008 Chevy Express van. We're going to program a new key. As you can see, this is the OBD port that connects to our scanner. The key is in here, and as you can see there's a security light in the dashboard. GM security lights will look like that to let you know that their key is not programmed. If the key was programmed, that symbol would have been off. So we are going to Chevy Express, and we're going to go to 2014. Key system, all keys lost, and it's going to take about 12 minutes for the key to program. And if that wouldn't work, we would have done an onboard for 30-minute cycles of 10 minutes each, and that would have been it. So this is how you program a key for a 2014 Chevy Express van. Thanks for watching.
That's it. I hope you like this video and would really appreciate if you can give us the thumbs up, and thanks a lot for watching.